Learn Gujarati fast. I can speak German, we have to go now, and
તમે મને મદદ કરી શકો છો?
welcome to the tiny Gujarati adventure. Hey, you are about to learn 5 super useful Gujarati phrases, and no, you do not need to wrestle a dictionary first. We will keep it light, funny, and easy to say out loud. Picture this. You walk into a room, someone is hungry, someone needs a chair, someone suddenly remembers the clock, and someone absolutely needs help. In this cheerful little mess, you will learn how to say,
હું જર્મન બોલી શકું છું. આપણે હવે જવું પડશે. તમે અહીં બેસી શકો છો. તે કંઈક ખાવા માંગે છે.
and
તમે મને મદદ કરી શકો છો?
that is basically enough to survive a very strange but memorable afternoon. Your mission today. You are not memorizing random words today, you are stepping into a mini-story. Listen for patterns, repeat boldly, and forgive yourself if your first try sounds like a confused robot. Phrase 1 is confidence with a passport.
હું જર્મન બોલી શકું છું.
It means, I can speak German. Phrase 2 is urgency wearing shoes.
આપણે હવે જવું પડશે.
It means, we have to go now. Phrase 3 is hospitality with a chair.
તમે અહીં બેસી શકો છો.
It means, you may sit here. Phrase 4 is the stomach making management decisions.
તે કંઈક ખાવા માંગે છે.
It means, he wants to eat something. Phrase 5 is your polite rescue button.
તમે મને મદદ કરી શકો છો?
It means, can you help me? A silly scene at the language fair. Let us put all 5 phrases into one ridiculous little chapter scene. The stranger the scene, the stickier the memory. You arrive at an international language fair wearing a badge that says, definitely knows what is happening. This is not true. A parrot on a stand looks at you with academic confidence and announces,
હું જર્મન બોલી શકું છું.
great, even the bird is more prepared than you. A friendly volunteer points to a chair and says,
તમે અહીં બેસી શકો છો.
you sit down, trying to look intelligent, which mostly means nodding slowly. Then a man near the snack table opens 3 empty boxes, 1 full box, then the empty boxes again, as if snacks might appear out of respect. Someone whispers,
તે કંઈક ખાવા માંગે છે.
honestly, same. Suddenly an announcement booms. The fair is closing in 2 minutes. A group near the exit panics softly, the way polite people panic, and says,
આપણે હવે જવું પડશે.
you stand up, realize you cannot find the door, your bag, or your dignity, and ask the volunteer,
તમે મને મદદ કરી શકો છો?
The volunteer smiles, points the way, and the parrot still looks smug. Break it down. Now you will zoom in and notice the building blocks. Tiny pieces make big sentences much less scary. In
હું જર્મન બોલી શકું છું. હું
means I,
જર્મન
means German, and
બોલી શકું છું.
carries the idea of can speak. In
આપણે હવે જવું પડશે. હવે
means now,
જવું
means to go, and
પડશે.
gives the must or have to feeling. In
તમે અહીં બેસી શકો છો. તમે
means you,
અહીં
means here, and
બેસી શકો છો.
means may sit or can sit. In
તે કંઈક ખાવા માંગે છે. એ
means he,
કંઈક
means something,
ખાવા
means to eat, and
માંગે છે.
means wants. In
તમે મને મદદ કરી શકો છો? મને
means me,
મદદ
means help, and the full sentence politely asks, can you help me? Mini dialogues you can steal. Here comes the useful part. Little dialogues you can actually imagine saying. Borrow them shamelessly. A. Can you speak German? B.
હું જર્મન બોલી શકું છું.
A. Is this seat free? B.
તમે અહીં બેસી શકો છો.
A. Why is he opening the fridge for the fourth time? B.
તે કંઈક ખાવા માંગે છે.
A. The bus is here. B.
આપણે હવે જવું પડશે.
A. You look lost. B.
તમે મને મદદ કરી શકો છો?
Repeat after me, brave human. Now say each phrase out loud like you mean it. If your accent wobbles, that is not failure, that is motion. Repeat.
હું જર્મન બોલી શકું છું.
Again.
હું જર્મન બોલી શકું છું.
Repeat.
આપણે હવે જવું પડશે.
Again.
આપણે હવે જવું પડશે.
Repeat.
તમે અહીં બેસી શકો છો.
Again.
તમે અહીં બેસી શકો છો.
Repeat.
તે કંઈક ખાવા માંગે છે.
Again.
તે કંઈક ખાવા માંગે છે.
Repeat.
તમે મને મદદ કરી શકો છો?
Again.
તમે મને મદદ કરી શકો છો?
Quick quiz, no dramatic music. Let us see what stuck. Do not panic, this is a friendly quiz, not a gladiator arena. How do you say, I can speak German?
હું જર્મન બોલી શકું છું.
How do you say, we have to go now?
આપણે હવે જવું પડશે.
How do you say, you may sit here?
તમે અહીં બેસી શકો છો.
How do you say, he wants to eat something?
તે કંઈક ખાવા માંગે છે.
How do you say, can you help me?
તમે મને મદદ કરી શકો છો?
A tiny culture note. Language is not just words, it is also warmth. These phrases work beautifully because they are practical and polite. Gujarati often feels welcoming in everyday use, especially with phrases like
તમે અહીં બેસી શકો છો.
and.
તમે મને મદદ કરી શકો છો?
One gives comfort, the other invites kindness. And yes.
તે કંઈક ખાવા માંગે છે.
May become the most realistic sentence in any family gathering. Friendly conclusion. You did it, and look at that, you survived the parrot, the snacks, and the disappearing exit. That is real progress. Today you practiced 5 useful Gujarati phrases.
હું જર્મન બોલી શકું છું. આપણે હવે જવું પડશે. તમે અહીં બેસી શકો છો. તે કંઈક ખાવા માંગે છે.
And.
તમે મને મદદ કરી શકો છો?
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, come back to repeat the phrases, and let your Gujarati grow one cheerful sentence at a time.